Good morning, kids. Have a lovely day. Welcome back to our online session. Today, first we will learn some alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now, let's do with the phonic sounds: A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, E. Very good, everyone. You all know this very well. So, today we will do, see everyone, this is A. A. First we will say one living thing starting with A and one non-living thing starting with A. Okay. So, the living thing starting with A is, see everyone, this is an ant. A-N-T. Ant. Ant is a living thing starting with A. See the beginning letter of ant. It is A. Right. Very good. Now, non-living thing starting with A. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. See the beginning letter of apple. It is A. So, apple is a non-living thing. See everyone, here is one ant. See how it is moving here and there? It is a living thing, right? Very good. Now comes B. B. One living thing starting with B is bat. B-A-T. Bat. The beginning letter of bat is B. Bat can fly as it is a bird. So it is a living thing. Now one non-living thing starting with B is ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. The beginning letter of ball is B and it is a non-living thing. Now comes C. K. One living thing starting with C is cow. C-O-W. Cow. The beginning letter of cow is C. Cow gives us milk which we drink every day, right? And one non-living thing starting with C is car. C-A-R. Car. It is a man-made thing and so it is a non-living thing starting with C. Now comes D. D. One living thing starting with D is dog. It guards our house, right? The beginning letter of dog is D. It can move, it can walk, so it is a living thing. Now, one non-living thing starting with D is doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. Doll, the beginning letter of doll is D and it is a non-living thing. Now comes E. A. One living thing starting with E is eagle. It is a bird. It can fly and eat also. Eagle, the beginning letter of eagle is E. It is a living thing. And one non-living thing starting with E is eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser. It begins with E and it is a non-living thing. We write with our pencil But whenever we make mistake, we use our eraser, right? Now comes F. One living thing starting with F is fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish lives in water. It can breathe, it can swim. It is a living thing. One non-living thing starting with F is fan, and it gives us air. Now comes G. G. One living thing starting with G is grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. The beginning letter of grass is G. Grass are the kind of small plants, okay? And they grows. So they are living things. And one non-living thing starting with G is guitar. G-U-I-T-A-R. Guitar. Guitar is a man-made thing and it is a non-living thing. My dear kids, look these green grasses. Look everyone, the grasses grow as they are living things. Now comes H. H. One living thing starting with H is hen. Very good. Hen gives us eggs, right? H-E-N, hen. And one non-living thing starting with H is hut. H-U-T, hut. The beginning letter of hut is H and it is a man-made thing. Okay, so hut is a non-living thing. Now comes I. E. One living thing starting with I is insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S. Insects. Yes, they can move, they can eat, they can grow. Insects are living things. Insects. The beginning letter of insects is I, right? And one non-living thing starting with I is ice cream. So yummy. I-C-E, ice, C-R-E-A-M, cream. Ice cream. The beginning letter of ice cream is I. Understood everyone? So it is a man-made thing and it is a non-living thing starting with I. Now kids, you have to tell me your favorite flavor of ice cream, okay? So ice cream is a non-living thing. My dear kids, hope that today you all enjoyed learning about the living things and non-living things along with the alphabets and their phonic sound. Take care of yourself everyone. Love you all. See you in the next session. Bye bye.